Hello, welcome back to my channel Chandrani Das Art, and I'm Chandrani. Hello and good morning. I'm so thankful to you because all of you guys just liking my work, and that's a very much big thing for me. Thank you so much once again. Of course, please don't judge me with my messy hairstyle and without makeup things or like that, because I just don't use that much makeup. I don't know even how to use those. Okay, this was not a joke. All right, today I thought that okay, why don't I just pick the camera on and say whatever I want to say. It's being very difficult for me to manage all these things, professional and personal life. So these are just, but I want to show more things. I want to explore myself more on 2023. So I thought, why not I try just in this way to record my videos and just to upload and just to edit a little bit and then upload it. This way I don't have to set up the camera, the lights each and every time, because it's a time consuming thing, and whenever I prepare all this thing, and after preparing it takes too much time for me, because I'm an amateur to making a video or the lighting part or something like that for videography. So it takes too much time from me, and also the energy from me. So I thought, why don't I just try this thing also. So whenever I get a chance, I will definitely shoot myself through DSLR and all the light setup. But right now, whenever I get time, I will definitely going to shoot myself like this. After setting up all the things and then working, start recording and then work and edit. So I think this is a long process. Let me know in the comment section that what do you think about it. And of course, this is my tea, morning tea without sugar. So yeah, right now I'm in front of my desk and I'm just going to open my software and ready to work. Okay, so you can see here is my drawing of Deadpool, one of my drawing. So I have a plan on 2023 that I need to draw again the realistic thing that you can see over here. So this is one of my drawing. You can check the video on my YouTube channel. So today's topic is, what are blending modes? So blending modes are effects that you can apply on your layer, and they will just combine the colors on your layers from the layer that you are selecting with the layer that is below on your selecting layer. You can use this blending mode in two different ways. So first one is layer blending mode, where you can use this blending mode directly on your layer. So if you want to blend the entire layer, then you got this option. It's pretty simple. Just select the layer you want to blend and hit the blending mode, whichever you prefer. That's it. So most of the time we don't need to blend the entire layer, but just a part of it, or maybe a small portion, or maybe a particular area. On that time, just select your brush and just apply the blending mode on your brush, so that it will not going to affect on the whole layer, so that you can use that particular area for that particular blending mode. All you're gonna do is just select the brush and just select your preferable blending mode, and you will good to go. And there is one more option that I can say. You can apply the blending mode with that also. You just create an adjustment layer over your layer, and if you feel to apply the blending mode over the adjustment layer, you can do it, and it will not going to affect directly on your layer. So whenever you want to edit or delete or anything, you can just edit the adjustment layer without harming your direct layer. This is another way that I can say, and it will definitely going to help you. But my preferable is brush tool. I just love this brush blending mode option. I usually apply the blending mode on the brush, and it will just ease my work so much. So I love this pattern. I love this way. Just let me know on the comment section which one do you prefer. This is all for now. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video and if you have learned something from this video, you can always hit a like button, and please share my video as much as possible. And of course, if you are new, welcome to my channel, then please subscribe my channel, and hit the notification bell as well to get informed whenever I post upload any video on my channel. Okay, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.